Well, hello there. Today we're working in this Samsung. It's the model number here. However, this particular model is, as usually, the caps. But we're gonna take a look at it. So let's power up, and we're gonna mash the power button. Oh, you could hear that sound. And if you see, it lit for a short period of time. See the lights, and it just goes out. Upon checking that, yeah, it's gonna keep on giving that start and stop, start and stop. So let's disconnect the power. Make this fast. It's already taking the cover off and taking the screws out. There's one more screws that have to come out here. And some cables. Let's take this cable out. This one here. You're already getting an idea. It's got to be one of these filters getting some problem. So take a look and see. Now, upon inspection of this circuit board, there's a primary and secondary side. This is a basic circuit board. It's 32-inch Samsung. However, this circuit board has a problem. Mostly one of these capacitors fail. Oh, and apparently, like, we had a tamper guy. Someone tried to, yeah, they tried to, like, doctor that fuse. Didn't get anything good out of it, so end up to the workshop. So that gotta go. We can't have things like that here. I don't know, why would someone do that? Let's take a better look at that fuse, see if it's good. Should be some reason on it. Some questions. Okay. So fuse. Take out this darn wire that someone put here. And let's see, you're gonna put the meter there. You're gonna hear the beep of the meter. And upon check in, fuse is good. So put it back in. That's our problem. I'm gonna warm up the solid bolt. And I'm going to change one particular filter on this thing here because that's the one and the main problem on this particular model. Samsung has this problem a while and I think they resolved it by now. Filters are failing pretty fast. So that's an auto filter cap, recapping. On the main, let's see, it's on the rail. I think it's a high voltage rail. Yeah. So take this off. Now you could use a solid sucker to do this, or you could heat it and gently press it side to side. It's gonna work either way. You get a capacitor out. So the one that we're changing here today, it's a 160 volt 47 UF. The reason why there's a little bulge on the top, you can literally see it. And there was a little crack solid right here, as you can see. So we can just thin that pad again and just clean it up a little before we put in new capacitors. We're going to clean that out here. Now I have let's see, a few capacitors here. This one is a 20. Well, I'm going to use this one. It's 86 UF at 250. So this is going to do a little better job at filtering. First of all, let's check this capacitor. So I'm gonna just put my meter here so I can literally get some reading. I think we could get that meter. Just let me check this. Okay, good capacitor we got. Now this capacitor is a little bigger, but it's gonna fit. The main thing you put in to polarize how it's supposed to. It's gonna do the same job. So, what I'm gonna do is take a little off the top, go again with the solder, get a proper connection. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah. And this video has been taken by my cellular phone. It's not by a camera. So the quality, I'm sorry for the quality. I'm working to get a camera, put it in, make some proper video. So what I'm doing here right now, I'm just looking over the circuit board to just see if there's any other solder joints that seems to be cracked or dried up and just need to resolder. Just get some stubborn ones because they got some sort of paste on this board. I just don't even want to take the solder, but I'm sure I gotta get this. This could be out of fault in the future with this client. Slot joint, you don't really want a chop come back for that. I don't know why these manufacturers put these seal on this board. It doesn't really need this. It just makes it more difficult for service technician to really service the board. Because if there's a cracked solders or so there, you have to literally burn this off. This darn piece or whatever they got on the board in order to make your solder. You have to burn it through. It's crazy. It seems like they don't want us to repair these things, so they just find a way to just prevent. Anyhow, all the other connections seems to be fine. Let's take this out to the. Sorry if my hands was in the way, I didn't realize that. That's all I realized. Anyhow, give it a little brush, make sure our connection is proper. There's no residue or any short circuit or so. Anyhow, so let's take this back to the TV screen and see if it's gonna power. We're gonna have a picture or what. So let's put the screw in. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I decided to go magnetic. Okay. And where's this card? We're gonna check everything, make sure our polarity is there. And let's go. So, what do we have? Power. that's how you fix a Samsung 32-inch on a simple capacitor fix. Now that doesn't say that how this fix is going to last for a long time. You just have to make sure that you replace the right capacitor. In this case, I replaced a little more bigger capacitor. I didn't walk with a spare one here, but you can see that looking at this one sideways, you can see that it's a little upper than usual. So you have to make sure that when you put it in the case back together, it really fits. Because that's going to be a problem. So case. Oh, it's plastic still. So this is for the 32-inch Samsung at let me just give you some numbers here. Z7NR3CND6066717P. Thank you for watching.